Hi everyone. Okay, so to finish off your snow globe, um, color in all of your drawing if you choose to, and then go ahead and cut it all out. You're also gonna cut out your the dome that you worked on last time. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna add some glue to the back, and then attach it to the front just like this. And then to make it look a little bit more polished, you could cut out another strip of paper that's as long as this, and this can be attached to the bottom to be sort of like the bottom of that of your snow globe, just like this. And you'll add glue to the bottom as well. Something that you could add to this strip of paper could be like Merry Christmas, it could be Happy Holidays, or you could just leave it whatever color paper you're using. And for last little thing, also, if you wish to be able to hang this on your tree, you can just take a hook or a small piece of string to hook it onto the back. And once you have that done, you got that hook there, add to the back, and add a piece of tape. Or if you have a hole punch, you could hole punch it, and then you can just hang it on right to your tree. I just used a little scrap of paper actually because I didn't have string handy. So there's all sorts of things you could do to be resourceful of what you have at your house. Okay, so that's how you're going to finish up this guy. I just haven't glued mine on yet because it's still a little damp, so I'm gonna hold off and wait for that to be completely dry. But I can't wait to see what you guys make. Please take a picture of your final project and post it for me to see. All right, have fun, guys.